Welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you this RYOBI 2000 PSI pressure washer. It is an electric pressure washer. Comes with 3 nozzles, the spray gun, and this hose. And so far the only complaint I have is this hose. So I have a new hose on order. It does kink. It's hard to straighten out. It's not real flexible. This pressure washer also comes with a soap dispenser that you can fill up. I never use it. I use the foam cannon, which I'll be demonstrating in another video. Have your on and off buttons here. It does have a spool on here where you can wind your hose back up. So the first thing you want to do, make sure your filter's in here. This does come out. You want to make sure that filter is in there. I've had it fall out a few times. Connect your garden hose up to it. And then we'll unwind the cord and plug it in. The next step you want to do before you turn the power on is bleed all the air out of your garden hose. Now you can connect the hose you want to use. It's got a quick connect fitting on there. Just pull back, put it in, make sure it's locked into place. I've had it already where it wasn't in all the way, and the thing shot out. Make sure you got it pushed in all the way and that it fully seats. Now you can go ahead and turn the unit on, and it should be ready to go. What I like about it is how quiet it is. No gas. Just squeeze the trigger and it runs. I'm going to be cleaning my Toro time cutter today. So let's go ahead and see how it works. For me, this electric pressure washer has plenty of PSI. It does a really good job. I didn't even use any soap. You do not want to get too close to any decals that you have on because it could peel them off. This is the RYOBI 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.